Hey guys, welcome to my video. Just received some huge bad news and I gotta share with you guys. And before I do, if you guys know already about it, go ahead, comment down below in the comment section what you think. But if not, feel free to watch this short video on the news and comment down afterwards of what you think about the law, about the new law in California. So let's head on to my desktop and we'll read a little bit more about it. So guys, for those people who drive in California and love cars and want to build your dream car, it is no longer available. You can no longer build your dream car because from now on, you cannot modify your exhaust system from your car. From any car, you cannot change it at all. Literally zero. So with that being said, let me talk about the before, the after. So before, you know, if you had a loud exhaust, and it sounded way louder, some cops will stop you and they'll be like, hey, you got a loud muffler. We need you to go here and fix it. And that's it, right? Happy ending. Sounds fair. Okay. If they didn't fix it, you might get fined or something, but it makes sense. You get a warning. But now, the new California 2019 exhaust system law now says that is no longer the case. You know, now, if you get stopped, the officer will literally tell you, you got to take your vehicle to the California referee and you got to get your vehicle tested and measured for, your exhaust system level of noise, which usually will fail if he stopped you for some reason. And you will be judged upon a judge. I think I said it right. And can be fined up to $1,000. Now, that is a lot of money. No, none of us are Money Mayweather that we just have $1,000 just lying around on our couch. So this is a huge problem, and it's really killing a lot of passion out there for people who love cars. It's freaking ridiculous. I'm not for this at all. I really hate this. And I don't know if this is because those Hondas with freaking that change their exhaust system that sound like they're breaking down, a wheel might fall off in the next 5 seconds. I don't know if it's because of that. Some officers are saying that because they're trying to stop street racing and stuff like that. I don't think this law will change that at all. I don't think there's gonna, lower the rate of, people street racing out there. I don't think that's the case. And there's already a video out there, showing a woman who gets stopped by a cop, and literally this what I just told you happened. Officers told you, hey, you got to take your vehicle here, get it tested, measured, and you will be going to a judge and you're going to be fined if failed, right? The test can be fined up to $1,000. Now, like I said, this is freaking me out because, like you guys already may know, I just got a muffler delete. The law was implemented January 1st, 2019. I literally got it 2 days before. What am I going to do? What are you guys going to do for those of you guys who modify your exhaust? I guess now will be a critical time to make that critical decision of, fixing it, because I don't know about you guys, but I'm a college student, man. I don't got a lot of money. I don't got $1,000 to be giving out to the government because my car sounds loud, because I have a passion for cars, and because I want my car to sound good, and it sounds good, okay? It doesn't sound like a Honda breaking down. No, it sounds like a freaking engine, sounds super mean, and I love it, man. I love it. There's a ton of you guys out there that have modified exhaust system that sound good, man. It's part of the experience. You get this vehicle, you want to build it the way you want it. You grow up playing video games, wanting to create your dream car. So that's what we're doing in real life, guys. And changing the exhaust, like having it stock in some of these vehicles, like a Mustang, or like not a GT, but just a basic like Mustang, or like a G35 or a 350. Like, it's not the same, man. You can modify it on the outside all you want, put a spoiler and then have it sound not as good. Like, that's just not a good combination. If that's like a buff guy, super buff with skinny legs. You know what I'm saying? So it's killing the car scene a lot, man. It's frightening a lot of people, including me, and it's not cool, man. California is just ruining it all for all of us. It's not gonna stop street racing, in my opinion. And I don't know what the hell. Here's the law, though. It says no person shall modify, right here on the top, no person shall modify the exhaust system of a motor vehicle in a manner which will amplify or increase the noise emitted by a motor of such vehicle, so that the vehicle is not in compliance with the provision of section 2715 or 0, or exceeds the noise limits established for the type of vehicle in Article 2.5 of this chapter. No person shall operate a motor vehicle with an exhaust system so modified. Down here it says the sound level limit is the exhaust noise shall not exceed 95 decibels. Now, with that being said, um, yeah, basically, if you don't have a muffler like me, or if you added some sort of resonators or like a new exhaust system, um, you're pretty much above 95 decibels, and you know, you can be targeted to be a victim of this new law. So it's pretty frightening. I don't know what to do. Give me your thoughts. Should I just fix my muffler? I'm pretty sure I have to make this decision because it's a fine. It's $1,000, man. I don't have that. So it literally sucked for me because I literally just got it before New Year's, 2 days before the law was implemented. And now that I find out about this, like I gotta take it off and pay extra money. you know, I literally paid like 500 bucks. I think I'm gonna pay like 500 bucks for installing it and removing it. For what, 2 weeks? It freaking sucks, man. But then again, $1,000 would suck even more. So I don't know. I heard this news. I want to share it out there for you people driving out there in California. Be careful, be safe, make a critical decision to get it fixed. And I don't know, man. So let me know if you guys think that they're gonna enforce this law. Like I said, there's already a video out there of somebody getting stopped. So it's pretty much being implemented. I'm pretty disappointed, pretty pretty confused. I don't know what the hell California is doing. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next video. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully a video about a G35 and why I love it so much. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow for that video. So thank you guys so much. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about that law in California. It's pretty upsetting, I know, but let me know what you think. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.